Welcome to one of Semarang's tourist destinations, which is full of attractions. This time, we will see the beauty of Celosia and Dusun Sumilir from a different perspective, via drone from the air. Celosia, a park located on the slopes of the foot of Mount Ungran, Bandungan sub-district, Semarang Regency. The Celosia Flower Park was built by combining the concept of a flower garden, photo spot, game rides, and culinary center in one area. The Celosia Flower Garden is located in Semarang, located at the foot of Mount Ungran or in the Bandungan area. The complete address is Jalan Candi Jedong Songo RW.5, Candi, Bandungan, Semarang Regency, Central Java 50614. Interestingly, the Celosia Flower Park also has play rides that are both child-friendly and suitable for adults. Like the Ferris wheel, you can see this tourist attraction from above. One of the main attractions of Dusun Sumilir is the giant stupa-shaped building, which was inspired by the Borobudur temple. From above, this architectural design looks very majestic and becomes an instantly recognizable icon. Sumilir Hamlet Tourism also provides game rides, such as slides with a height of 30 meters. And there are also ones for those who like to sing like in this video. Apart from that, the natural beauty of Sumilir tourism is also enhanced by various interesting and Instagrammable photo spots. That's a glimpse of the view through a drone in Dusun Sumilir Semarang. This place is not just a tourist spot, but also an experience full of memories. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for other interesting videos. See you at the next destination.